In this video, I'm going to show you how to control your volume without the remote on your LG television. So if you've lost your remote control or it's just not working, you may want to know how to put the volume up and also the volume down as well. So to do this, we just need to come round to the physical television like this, and underneath the LG logo, you'll see this small button. Now obviously you can press this to power on the television, but this can also be used to control the volume. So it's just one single button, but you can basically do everything from this button. So what you're going to do is just tap this button really quickly. Don't hold it for too long, otherwise it will power off the television, and you should see this menu appear here. Now what we can do is tap the button again to move across the different options. So I'm going to come over to the volume up, and now in order to select this, we just need to hold down the button at the bottom of the TV. Now once you have the volume selected like this, what you can do is start tapping the button again, and this is going to increase the volume. So as I keep tapping this, the volume keeps increasing.